Quite nice, isn't it? I love my kickstand, and today I'm remaking a video about it, and there's some quick tips. And today I learned one more. I was planning to give you 3 tips, but I just learned one tip that I don't know if it's right, if it really works. The thing is, against my logic, we have a lot of wind this way, going this way, and I thought, well, it's better to put the kickstand in the other way, right? So we'll be, stable. But no, it's the Brompton stays better this way, towards the wind. Then we put it this way. If I put it this way, you get because of the wind. Check it out. Keeps moving. And I don't know why. If we put it this way, it stays. Oh, let's start this video. It's a remake. I've done it already, but I noticed that sometimes you guys don't have the chance to watch all the videos, and it's nice to remember. So I'm gonna show you 3 tips, because this one I just show you. I don't understand why it doesn't work, but it does. It's in this kind of wind. We have like 15 knots, probably. So in this kind of wind, it works better this way. Okay, first step. You have a ground, a floor that a lot of holes on it. Always look for your higher place. If you put on the lower place, see, Brompton will go down. But if you put just right next to it, see, it stays. Always look for a higher spot, never the lower one. I know. Never put your kickstand in the lower place, because then your bike will fall. So always search for a higher place to put your kickstand. It's sometimes hard. So we'll be stable. Okay. So that was the so this was the second tip. Always find a place that's higher, so when you put your kickstand, the Brompton won't fall. Okay, that's a good one and very useful. Simple but very useful. Believe me, I have some falls on my Brompton. Long time ago, but I did. Well, another thing that I think is very, very useful, and I always do it, especially if you have a big bag up front, because it's heavy, that's very simple. First, find the higher spot and turn the wheels for the right side. I know you're going to say, oh, what does it do? It makes a center of equilibrium. If you turn this way, it's not heavy, but if you put something heavy in here, it falls, So a great tip is, looking for the highest spot, a great tip is always turn your wheel towards the right side. It makes a great equilibrium, and the Brompton stays safe there, and we want the Brompton. Okay, last tip is great for maintenance. You have to clean your wheel. If you have to put some oil on the chain, anything that you need the back wheel to be lubed, Check it out. It's very simple. Did you put your kickstand? You need a wall or something to lean into. So you put your kickstand and lean it a little bit. This way you have a free back wheel. I usually use it to clean the rim or to find the valve to pump my tires, or sometimes to put some oil. I don't know. Don't forget I use for anything, but it's good to know, right? It's always good to know little things. Okay, one more thing. When you are in the slope, you know, like this, never place your bicycle like this, because the chance of going that way, it's big. So always put it, the kickstand, forward, uphill. And there's one more tip. I know. I just remember about all the little tips that I learned, you know, and I like to share with you. This one is carrying like a heavy bag thing. Even this won't be enough. You need to press a brake. Front brakes are good, very good. So one thing you can do is, in my case, I always carry a Velcro because it's very useful and I can do a lot with it. So you can put it here and break it. See? This way, it won't move. Look, even if it doesn't go anywhere. It's safe. Okay? You can put or on the front wheel or on the back wheel. You have to choose it. You have to see which one is working at that moment. And because I don't know what kind of luggage you have. So this is a great tip. Always carry a Velcro. Okay, so those are my 5 tips for the kickstand. I hope you did like it. And if you did learn something, you know, there was a tip that you didn't know about it, tell me. If there's some other ones, tell me also. If you did like it, thumbs up and be part of it. I'll be posting more videos. I'm gonna try to make more videos. I really like it. I enjoy it. I like to talk to you guys. Oh, I love when somebody tells me, oh, I start riding my bike back just because of your videos, or, you know, oh, I learned this. I didn't have to take my bike to the shop. I like it. I like to, you know, pass on the things that I learned. And I hope you did like, and I hope you did enjoy the video. Bye-bye. See ya.